So, welcome to field creation session 2. So, in this, we'll create a new fields. In the previous class, we explained only formula, auto field. So, we're going to discuss about the remaining fields. So, let's come into the text field. So, there are like total four text area long, text area which and text area and script total five. So, I'll explain these five in a single. So text means we can store the value of it, alphanumerical value. So in the any combination of letters and numbers, you can see that in the description is also okay. So here there is a limit how many characters you can enter. For text you can enter only 25, sorry 255 characters alphanumericals only, and there were some properties, and most of these properties are same for all these four text areas. Let's create a text field. Click on next. So you can see field label. You can give any name. Let's say book. We already have book name. So book department. We can use that. Mm, let's say content. So in this field we can discuss about content text. So it's a text field. So we are the here we have to enter the length. So maximum length will be 255. So we can minimize that maximum length also. So these are the like suppose we can 100 only this field allows only 100 characters. We can limit that part also. These are the properties available for text field. Field label you can understand by its self length. Length means the maximum length of for the text below. So this is a field name. So whatever given in the context text, it will be if you have space, it will consider underscore underspace and description. Help test will be will I'll give self explainer. So I'm just giving a dummy help text. So there are four checkboxes. These two are not available when we are creating an auto number. So let's check required. Always require a value in this field to save the record. Suppose if you keep this required, we have to fill this field when you are saving a record and unique. So like unique means it doesn't allow any duplicates. Like in the below mentioned trait, capital ABC and small ABC are duplicates. Case insensitivity are different values. Let's click on here. We can check this. So if it is an upper letter, capital letter, also we can consider them as duplicate. So let's. So we don't provide any unique because we not required for it. So these are the properties and default value. We can create a default value in there. Let's say mm, num1 as a default will be available on there. Okay, next. So remember these fields, what properties we have given in these values. So invalid that you always below the correct word cannot be used in this formula. Okay, remove this default value. Next, go to next. Click on next. Save. So next comes to this book. Book name, serial number, context. and okay, let's click on here. This should be the book 3 because why require fill context, but that is not available in the here to enter. So sometimes we'll get this kind of thing. Then what we have to do? So go to your page layouts, book layout, context, click on save. Okay, we are available in context. Why we are getting this error? Because we made this context text as a mandatory. We made this context text as a mandatory field, and it is not showing up on this page layout. So that is the reason we are getting error. But it should be available in this page layout by default because we made it as a mandatory. So mandatory will be automatically added to the page layout. So we don't have to do anything. But why this is yeah, now we are getting this context. So why we got that also that sometimes happens. Let text. So we have give a value on the help text as self-explanation. So if you move that cursor over there, it will show that help text here. To what value we can give a explainer to what value we have to fill in. Like say um, archaeology. Say, so previously we created the serial number as CSS for two. We created two records. That's even we give number as a file. It will consider those two records as a two records and it will increment those three and be given this content value. So that way we can create a text. Then text area also is the same way. We can create it 25 characters but in separate lines. In text area long also we can that the character size will increase and you can use the separate languages in text area long and text area rich also same. But for text area rich we can use a formatable text and add images. You can check these and try to create these fields. And next come to this pick list field where we can select one value out of the given choices to us, like choosing a multiple choice question which one is right. Let's say book type. So use the global pick list value, or we can even enter let's. So we can use some books types. I'm just giving some microvala book types. So I'm just giving these as some values. So these are we'll have this property as description, help text. We can make this as a required, but I'm not making it as a required. Click on next. Visible tier one next. Save and click on. We'll create a previous multi select also. In pick list multi select we can choose more than one value. In pick list we can select only one value from a given list of values. So I'm giving as let's use a book type 2 so we can see the difference and enter values like, so I'm giving them values 6. So these are the same properties. Next, visible to all, click on this, save. So now go to the book record. So because we created two fields, pick list fields, I think we have to refresh before choosing. Click on new. I think they will not update it before, that's why we are not get the this counter value in the previous one. In the login like in when we're creating a book 5 record, that's why we got that error. A book, let's take 6 as a given name. Context will be some archaeology. Book time, this is the pick list self pick list. So we can choose any one value. Okay, but this is pick list book type 2. We created multi select, so we can choose 2 or 3 or entire values. Whatever the values available here, we can see entire or any specific ones that are required for it. So these are the differences between pick list and pick list multi select. So these are the fields we created as a part 2, and we have some more fields like phone, email, and URL. We'll check those in the later sessions. Thank you.